This is a Bounty Hunter 1514 with a bike check. Let's start at the bars. I got the Eastern grips and just stock fit bars. My gooseneck is a fly bike gooseneck. Pretty nice, I definitely suggest it. Same with the grips, I'd suggest. My headset is a King Creek. Yeah, it spins real nice. And on the forks, I have stock fit forks. My rim is a Jalco FCF freestyle rim. Very strong, not so much light though. Spokes came with it, same hub. Alright, my frame is a Fit Park Pro 1. It's heavy, but I like it for trails. And then my cranks, I just have fly bike cranks. I mean, they're old. I need to get new ones. Rocking the Primo racing pedals. Very fast and the spin. Let's go to the other side of the bike. I got the Sub Rosa sprocket with a purple chain. I'm not sure what the brand is. Sprocket's lasted me, hasn't broke yet, so. My seat is a Fit. Actually came on my friend's bike. It's not pivotal, it's rail. I like rail better, it's stronger. And my back rim is an Odyssey hazard light. If you can see that. And then hub is a Odyssey hazard light hub. And tires Fly Bike's tire. Real flat. And definitely suggest the rim, it's really light. So check that out. This is my bike check. Check out my friend Airsoft Rules 1514. And see you next one.